Hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss LeetCode problem 1945, sum of digits of string after convert. So you are given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters, okay, and an integer k. So the statement is that first convert S into an integer array by replacing each letter with its position in the alphabet. Like A will be replaced with 1, B will be replaced with 2. In this Z will be the 26th character, so it will be replaced with 26. Then transform the integer by replacing it with the sum of digits. Repeat the transform operation k times. That will be given integer k. That many times actually I have to actually transform the sum of the digits. For example, if s is equal to zbax and k is equal to 2, then the result would be like how actually we are getting the result. First of all, the string is zbax, right, and k is equal to 2. First of all, what is it said that first of all transform this input string with its position. Like z will be replaced with 26, b will be replaced with 2, a will be replaced with 1, x will be replaced with what, 24. Got it? So then what will be actually the resultant string look like? 26, 2, 1, 24. This is for z, this is for b, this is for a, and this is for x, right? Now this many times actually I have to call the transform operation. So what is the transform? So first time whenever calling the first time transformation, so what will happen? We have to find the sum of the digits. So what is the sum of digits? 2 plus 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. Right, so what is the sum? 2 is 8, 10, 11, 13, 17. Right, this is after first transformation our value will be 17. Now actually there is k is equal to 2, so 2 time actually I have to call the transformation. So for the second time when I call in transformation, then what is the sum of the last time previous transformation? That will be the sum. Like last time for the first transformation the sum was 17. Now this will be actually called the 1 plus 7, so this will actually 8. So after second transformation our answer will be 8. So that's why here actually k is equal to 2, that's why our answer is 8. Got it? So I have to written 8 here. Understood the logic, right? So similarly let's take some example. They actually given that, like example 1, s is equal to I and k is equal to 1. So first of all replace with the position value of the input string. So I will be replaced value with what, 9. So the string will look like 999, right? This actually the input string will look like after replacing with the position. Now for the first transformation I am calling this. So what will be the sum? 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So this will be 36. So that's why after first transformation the answer is 36. Here actually k is equal to 1, that's why our answer is 36. Got it? So for the next example, LeetCode, k is equal to 2, right? So L will be replaced with what? 12 position value. E will be replaced with A, B, C, D, E, 5. Similarly, U will be replaced with 5. T will be replaced with 20. C will be replaced with what? A, B, C, 3. Then O will be replaced with 15. D will be replaced with 4. E will be replaced with 5. So what will the string look like? 12, 5, 5, 23, 15, 4, 5. So this actually the input string look like, right? So here actually k is equal to 2. So for the after the first transformation, what will be the sum of the digit? 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1, 5, 4 plus 5. So this will get what? 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 5, 4, 2, 10, 3. So this is 15, this actually 9 plus 13 5 18, so this actually 33, right? 33 after first transformation. So again I have to call the second transformation because k is equal to second time I have to call the transformation. So 33, this will be the input string of the second transformation. So what will be the sum of the digit? 3 plus 3, this is actually 6. Got it? So that for this input our answer should be 6. If our k is equal to 1, that time our answer should be 33. If k is equal to 2, that our answer should be 6. Got it? So what are we actually doing actually here? So whenever we are getting any string and the k, first of all convert this string with this position with position digit. How? Like I know a will be 1. How we are getting a will be replaced with 1. So if I get the character a, then I subtract with a. Then if I add plus 1, then what will be actually the value? This will be value will be 1. Similarly, suppose I get the b. I know that b will be replaced with 2. I know that, right? So how am I getting the b will that 2? So b minus a plus 1. So this will actually give 1. This actually plus 1. So that's why the value will be 2. In this actually, if you check for the z minus a plus 1. So what is the ASCII value difference? 25. If I add plus 1, then again I will get 26. Got it? Why am I adding plus 1? You got it, right? Because a is base starting from 1. They actually mention. If it's starting from 0, then I do not have to add this 1. Okay. In this actually, I actually first create the all the character to n its digit in the position value. Got it? Then k times I will actually call the transform function. So what I actually do? I will pass the sum value, sum of the digit. Okay. Sum of the digit. Then what will happen? It will return again a sum 2. That actually the sum of digit of sum 1. Like for this example. So what happen actually? After replacing all the character with its position, I will get this string. Right? So first time when I am calling the transform function, then what will actually return? I will pass this into the function. This will return actually 33. Right? So what I have to do? It actually iterate each character and add into the sum value, sum variable. So sum is equal to initially to 0. Then I will add sum plus 1, then sum plus 2, then sum plus 5, then sum plus 5. Again in this way. Got it? And at the end, whenever I traverse the whole string, then I return the sum value. Got it? And with still k is actually still I have to k is more than and I have actually till now actually run this call the transform function. Then I have to again call the transform function if it is less than the k times. Got it? And at the end, after completing k times, I have called the transform function. Then at the end, I will return the sum function. Got it? Like here actually k times first time I call the input string will be the value will be that, and I will get this. Again I'll say okay, is there still k is less than current number of turns is less than k times. Then I have to again call the transfer function. I will call this with the input is 33. Then it will return actually 6. I'll check okay, current number of turns is actually 2, and I need to call the transfer function 2 times. I have already completed this, so break from there, and what is the last sum value, that actually the answer. Got it? So just go to actually code, actually it will be easy. So this is actually the main function. Get lucky, I'll get the string, input string, and the k times. Okay, so first of all convert the string into is position wise. So I am just traversing each character of the string, input string, and I am checking what is the position of this. How I am getting the position? Like a minus a plus 1. I have actually already explained why actually adding. I am getting this in this actually the value. So this actually give the actually ASCII value difference is 0 plus 1 actually give the 1. Got it? So I will get the value, actually the position. Then I will add this into a sum of the string. So actually this actually string like 12 plus 5 in this like 12 5 LeetCode. Got it? Like A B C. If I replace with the position wise, what will be happen? 1 2 3. I will get this. So that's whatever the value I got. I will add this as a string 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is a string concatenation. So ultimately after that, if it was string, input string is a b c, so in some string it will be actually 1 2 3. I will get 1 2 3 after completing this for loop, right? What is the logic? Till now it is clear, right? Now what you are doing, I have to call the transfer function k times. So that's why there is a while loop till our k times I have to call. So that's why k times I will calling this get value function. This actually our transformation function. So I will pass the last input string, last output string means the digits. Okay, so like in this first actually output input will be 1 2 3 for the sum. So I am calling this get value function, the helper function, the transform. It actually the transforming the input string into the sum of the digit. So I am just iterating this 1 2 3. Okay, so first of all I will get 1. So 1 minus 0. What will be the value? 1. So I'll add this value into a sum. So sum will be 0 plus 1. Then again I go to the 1. It's 2. Character will be 2. 2 minus 0. So I'll get 2. So sum will be plus 2. Then I'll go to 3. 3 minus 0. So this will be actually 3 plus 3. So this is actually 6. Got it? So after completing this operation, I will sum value will be 6, and I'm converting this into the integer, because next time if I still there is any left transforming from k is less than k is greater than 0, so I have to call this transformation function again. That time actually I am expecting a string, so that's why before returning I am actually converting this to a string. Okay, so here actually what will return? Actually 6 actually return. So sum actually store actually as a string 6. Got it? Now if it's still any k left, k is still greater than 0, so that time again I will call this get value function. That time input will be 6 as a string, and I will iterate each character 6 plus 0. The sum will be again 6. Got it? So that time I will return from here actually as a again 6 as a string. Got it? And at the end I have to return the actual final, the string means the final digit of final sum of the digits. So that time I have to return, they're expecting as an integer type. So that time I will convert the string into an integer s2i. This will convert the string value, like 6 will be converted to actually the integer value of 6. That's a string to integer of the last sum string. Got it? So what is actually time concept of this? Time concept of this, that we're actually traversing each character. So this actually big of n. If our input string is length is n. Here actually k times we are calling this k times, and what is the length of the digit? Digit can be go to m. This iteration can go up to m times. So this simultaneously k into m, right? So time concept will be n plus m into k. K times we are calling the get value function, where get value is iterating each character, so that length can be m. And if here actually why it is n, because we are actually initially we are actually replacing character to its position, right? Like ABC I have replaced with a1 2 3. Got it? That's why time concept is n plus m cross k. Got it? And any space complexity? No, we are not using anything. That is space complexity big of 1. Alright, understood, right? Clear? If you have any doubt, you can actually comment on the chat comment box. I'll actually reply. And please like the channel actually, and also subscribe that. Okay, thank you.